Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Indigo credit card account. Step-by-step guide, step-by-step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the official Indigo credit card website URL and press enter. On the home page, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any errors. Once you've filled in both fields, look for the login button on the page. Click the login button to access your account. If you forgot your username or password, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your credentials. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you can manage your account details, view transactions, and make payments. If you encounter any issues during login, check for details associated with your account, such as your spelling or case sensitivity. For further assistance, consider reaching out to customer support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.